Hey there guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Vadoo AI. It's going to be a tutorial on how to use Vadoo AI. By the way, my name's Chris. I live and breathe video. I'm a full-time content creator. I'm a real person. That's why I was feeling my face. This isn't some AI avatar video that's fake. I'm a normal person. So what I'm going to do is just jump into the tool and just show you how to use this amazing tool. So step number one, what you want to do is go to the URL vadoo.tv. And I'll put my affiliate link in the description if you need help getting there at any point. And then step number two, what we want to do here is click on the home button once we're in this tool. This is an amazing tool that is like, I would call it like the Swiss Army knife of AI features. Like, as you can see here, these are all the crazy things we can do. And it's a bit overwhelming. When I jumped into this tool, I was like, whoa, man, this is crazy. It's like the Canva of AI tools. And it's kind of a good thing because for the price that you pay for it, for like a pro version, you get so much and it's just so worth your money. I'll be honest with you, I was a little bit on the fence with some of this stuff because it just feels like, well, a lot of these tools specialize in one thing, but they have so many. But guys, this is so worth it. So what we started to do was we started to play with some of the features. Like the AI image works really well. A lot of people have been using this, and I just click on that. That's what you want to do for the next step. Here, I'll go back. So what you want to do here is you want to click on which feature you want to use. And there's so many features. So I want to quick show you some of the things we've been doing here. So what you can do is there's an AI image face swap. That's immediately what I went to try to use, the AI to image face swap. And what you do is just find your target image, and then you do the swap image and you just add your videos here. Like if we go to the target image here and we do my images, like if I did this photo here is of a person in a Lamborghini, see it? And then what I wanted to do is swap the image out with my face. I could use this image here and then click apply, and then you click on generate. And what I'll do here is I'll show you the results because it actually works really well. So here's the images. Here it is. This is my face, and it just swapped it out. I will say one thing that's a little confusing with Vadoo AI is that some of these tools, like when you go to like use them, it's a little overwhelming or like confusing on how to use them. And it's just kind of how the operating system is. So this is the generate video feature. You can do, when you open it, there's a lot of settings, right? And it says, what will your video be about? It says a random AI store. And what you have to do is kind of just sit here and go through all of the different settings. Select your voices. You can enable voiceover. You know, you can select tons of AI voices. This is the generate little AI videos. You can do a consistent character, which is really cool. I think you can build your own as well, which is pretty crazy. And it has different models. Because what we're doing here is we're using the API to like different AI models like ChatGPT and some of the others, and it works. These things work crazy good. For example, like the AI image generator works extremely well. It's kind of like ChatGPT. All you do is kind of do a prompt here. Let's see here. I'll do give me a bunch of kids on a school bus, and then click enter. And what's cool is it gives you 4 different images, and it just takes a minute. You know, some of the AI image generators take really long. This one does not. And you can add different effects. You can add the different models. You know, I could have told it to be ultra realistic. But as you can see here, like it works really well. Some of them, like here, obviously the letters are off right here. You could throw them in the Canva and change that. But this one's correct, right? This one looks super realistic. And I'm just kind of blown away by the image generator in itself. That's probably not why you're looking to use this tool. But yeah, they have AI influencers. And what we did was we kind of just went through and tested all of these. And one thing that I got caught up on was the AI music generator. And this thing I got lost in because it was so much fun, guys. I actually created an AI song, a couple of them, and I'm blown away by how good it is. And all you do is you tell it what style of music you want to do, and then you can add lyrics as well, and then it'll sing your song. I want to show you the results, and you just click generate, and it's crazy. Let me show you the results I came up with. This actually motivated me enough to go create a music video. It's insane. So here's one of them, and here's the lyrics that I gave it. It's about, I asked ChatGPT to give me some lyrics about being broke, essentially create a song about being broke, and that's exactly what it did. And it's, here's the lyrics. Ramen in my pot, rent due on the 10th, phone blowing up, but it's just more debt, landlord knocking. It doesn't sound good when I say it, but have a listen to this song here. I was blown away. Just hold on.
Ramen in the pot, rent due on the 10th, phone blowing up, but it's just more debt, landlord knocking.
All right, so this motivated. I was like, holy crap. Like, I went and got my girlfriend. I was like, AI made this, and it's now my song. And what I did was I went and jumped into a video editor, and then I made a music video. I used another tool called InVideo to essentially make the video with me. Let's open this up. Yeah, here's the music video I made. Have a listen to this. This is pretty crazy, and I just kind of like... I started having some real fun here. This is kind of going down a wormhole here. Watch this music video.
Ramen in the pot, rent due on the 10th, phone blowing up, but it's just more debt, landlord knocking, I pretend I ain't home, Wi-Fi off, still scrolling on my phone, swipe that card.
Okay, so I got lost in that, obviously. So what I'm trying to tell you, though, is that the features here in Vadoo AI work so well, and it motivated me to go do this. What I'm trying to do is use AI to make ads for companies, because it's big money right now, because they can save tons of money. And but yeah, that song, it made this song, and it made other tracks. It'll make 2 tracks per every like input you give it. So that feature thoroughly blew me away. Just the music feature. And let's try the AI image, or the AI influencer feature right now. I haven't done this yet, but let's just try it, just to kind of just go with it, right? Let's try Ben. I kind of like Ben. And just bear with me. We're just going to try this, right? It says videos. It says create a new video. Select an image. Okay, this is kind of weird. See, like, this is what I was saying. Some of like the learning how to create it all is kind of a little confusing. Images, create new video, select image, cling. So yeah, maybe it turns your video into it. I'm a little confused on like how we do this. AI influencer. Click on that. Click on anyone, I guess. I don't know why it like doesn't just bring in the influencer section of it. I don't like how it does that. See, like, I can't even find this influencer. So like, this is a little confusing for me, and I haven't figured this out yet. But maybe they're working on this feature. I don't know. You guys will have to jump in the tool. I swear though, like, once you learn how to use some of the features, you're going to be thoroughly blown away. And by the way, guys, if at any point you want to check out Vadoo AI, you'll have to use my affiliate link in the description. You're helping a brother out, since I'm trying to help you out here too. You know, I test out tons of these tools for work, and this one is blowing me away. It just has so much to do. Also, the image upscaler works really well. All you do is upload your image here, and then my images, upload it. Like this one, my face looked a little rough. So what I would do here is just click generate, and then it'll generate it. Let me show you the results here. My projects, I did do this. Images, image upscaler, and then that fixed it. My face still looks a little rough, if we're being honest. All right, so go back. But yeah, some of this stuff is, it's very easy to use. You just kind of have to figure out how to use it. You know what I mean? The headset, there's a headshot feature where all you do is kind of click on it. And what you can do is add different faces. You can add your face to it as well. That's a really cool feature. Everyone's loving this. The action figure one has been blowing up. So people have been digging on that. All you do is click on it, choose your person, and then add the action figure, choose the selection. You can do a custom image as well, so that works really well. So yeah, guys, this, like, learning how to use it is a little confusing, but all you have to do is kind of get in here and start selecting and just learning how to do it. I'm sorry that I couldn't be more help with every single feature, but I wanted to give you the gist of how to use Vadoo AI. This is a short tutorial. I'm still learning myself. There's just so much to learn here. And as you can see here, there's there's so many cool features. The sound effects, the AI thumbnail maker, the AI background remover, the lip sync feature, the skin enhancer. We just did that. There's an April Fool's section. I gotta check this out. I wonder how many features we can do. So you just add an image here, and then you can add a big nose. Let's add a big nose to me. Let's do my images. Let's do this guy, and then do a big nose, and then click generate, and see how long that takes. So it kind of depends what you guys are trying to do here with this AI tool. You know, a lot of people are trying to do like AI videos, or maybe you're trying to upscale a photo, or remove a background, or do music. What's cool about Vadoo AI is it does close to everything. It is like the Swiss Army. You know, I've been paying for a lot of other features. Okay, that's aggressive. That's a bit aggressive. All right, so that's another cool feature it has. Man, there's just so many. The AI product shot, I think I did that as well. All you do is upload your picture here and then tell it what to do. I'll show you one of the ones I did. This is the image. Here it is. What I did was I put a camera. I gave it a picture of a camera, the DJI Osmo 3, which is that popular vlogging camera. And I told it to put it on a granite countertop inside of a household. And here it is. So you can do product photography. Maybe you don't want to pay a fancy graphics person that does this. I've been in a lot of corporate America jobs where they're paying someone $70,000 a year to do this. It does it. So that person's probably going to be out of a job coming soon anyways. All right, guys, this is there's so much to do in this tool that I'm like thoroughly blown away. And all you have to do is kind of get into it. Again, I'll throw all my affiliate links in the description. Also, if you're into video and stuff, I have a community called Video Society. You can join our Facebook group. Also, I own some of the largest photography groups if you're into photography, and I also own the second largest YouTubing group. It's called YouTube Beginners. I have a school group. It's my community is called Video Society. We have courses on how to do everything, but you don't have to join the courses. So this is how to use Vadoo AI. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know. I'm a real person, normal dude here, and I do reply. And I want to hear your feedback of what you're using this tool for. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.